Hey, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel, and today on Aussie Restorations we are not doing a restoration but we are modifying my car. Okay, so there's two steps we're going to do before we even start thinking about drilling. First step, we're going to remove the inner guard. There's plastic trim here, just undoing all these little screws, anything that's holding it up. We're going to pop it out so we can gain access to the original pickup line. Then we're going to disassemble this airbox. We're going to pull it out so we can then gain access to in there. So let's get started. Okay, so there was one thing that I forgot to mention is take the wheel off. Look how much room you've got in there to work with. So yeah, it just shows how an amateur like me can do it, so you can definitely do it. Remember to have safeguards in case the car falls, and chock your wheels. I've chocked the other side, and make sure your handbrake's on and you're all good to go. Now there'll be a few screws here, I think. Yeah, one there. Hopefully that's it. We'll get them unscrewed and then I'll unscrew that one there and then we'll pop this out. Now the issue with this is that the air is being picked up in there. Whatever hot air is getting in there, because it's just sitting in the bay, there's no actual air hitting it. So by raising it up there, no more hot air. I mean, like, that just looks stupid. Who comes up with these ideas? Okay, so now we're going to start sealing up the airbox. There's two things you got to do. One, take this apart and seal around this bit because this bit is just flopping about. The other one is you got a drain plug there. This is optional, it says in the manual. I don't think I'll be doing any deep river crossing, so I'm going to leave it just in case water does get into my airbox. It has somewhere to drain to. So what the manual doesn't tell you, you need a torque driver bit, T40. I've got the one under, but it will take it off. There's this one and this one, and then you just got a bunch of clips around here to pop that off. Alright, so now once you've lined the top of your car and the side of the guards stated by the instructions, you now want to mark the holes. So these holes will need to be 16 mil, so you'd use a step drill. The best way to find, especially when you're drilling, the level where you're meant to stop, put a mark on where you need to stop. Just like that. And you can see your mark. So now we start drilling. Alright, so now we need to put some of the Loctite 234 onto our stainless steel bolts. And we just do them finger tight. Alright, fingers crossed everything lines up. Oh no! Nah, just kidding. Look at that. That looks awesome. So now all we have to do now is masking tape up here, mounting bracket, and then yeah, bolt it to the other side and then fit the airbox back in. So apparently we line the lines up like that. Alright, now cool. I can feel it. Not bad. And it's exactly how I thought it would be. Well, there we have it, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do leave a like, comment, and possibly subscribe, and maybe tell me what I could do better next time. But till then, I'll see you in the next video.